Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can activate your new Macquarie's credit card. So in order to activate your Macquarie's credit card, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your online banking account and select the account from the account list and select the I want to button. As you do that, you'll be taken to this field where you have to go ahead and select manage card in the menu. After that, you need to go ahead and select activate, and next you need to enter the CVV from the back of your card. Next, you need to enter the SMS safe code that will be sent to your mobile number. If you've registered Macquarie's authenticator, you will be asked to verify from the device as well, and then go ahead and press on select activate. Once you've done that, you should be able to activate your credit card of Macquarie's bank. So with that, you'll have successfully completed the way to activate your Macquarie's credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.